Okay, here is our New Year wreath. We have our ball that's dropping. We have our gold and black and our Happy New Year sign. And this is cedar, a few cedar branches and stars. Isn't that beautiful? I like it. I don't know. I'm thinking about putting it on my front door. What do you think? Should it go on my front door or in my entryway? Okay, here's our last and final of 2025 tablescape. Happy New Year, everyone! This will be our last tablescape of 2025. First of all, we have our Hobby Lobby napkin holders and our Amazon napkins, our Amazon tablecloth, and our Amazon table runner. At Home's plate that I got after Christmas last year. Hobby Lobby charger plates that I got after summer. Over a year ago, not last summer, but the summer before, so it'll be 2 years. This is our DIY I made on our New Year's DIY video, and everything was bought for the DIY and the garland here from Dollar Tree. The candle holders is from At Home. So it's very simple. But you know, for New Year's I want to go simple. It's the end of the year. The dress is over the top. So and my centerpiece is pretty over the top, so I want everything else kind of minimal. But I hope everybody has a wonderful New Year's, safe New Year's, and I will see you in 2025 for more tablescapes.